Linear axes for robots are called by many names such as Trackmotion, RTU, or 7th axis slide, but all are based on one of two basic linear technologies, cam followers and profile guides. Both technologies, of course, have their advantages. Profile guides are smaller compared to equivalent cam followers and are available in several precision classes. Cam followers, on the other hand, are capable of higher speeds and are much more resilient in industrial environments. There are some creative ways out there to cover profile guides on tracks, most with limited success. The Güdel Trackmotion has excelled in applications such as welding, foundries, painting, with little or no protection from the application or environment. The key is that size really does matter. Both technologies offer seals and scrapers, which are great at removing large particles. However, small particles eventually creep under this protection. In profile bearings, the rolling element is relatively small, and these particles can cause the rolling elements to stop rolling, leading to premature wear. Cam followers simply roll right over the contaminant.
The Güdel roller cartridge system significantly improves the cam follower maintainability. Güdel roller cartridges are individually accessible and adjustable. This simplifies setup, removal, and replacement. This feature significantly lowers the total cost of ownership of the Trackmotion and is unique to Güdel. See for yourself how easy the Güdel system is to work with. The first step in working with the Güdel roller bearing blocks is to remove the 4 screws holding the clamp plate over the roller cartridge. To take the load off the roller, rotate the cartridge away from the guideways. Once the load is relieved, simply slide the cartridge out of the housing. Insert the new roller cartridge with the adjustment notches away from the guideway. Loosely install the clamp plate. Adjust the cartridge using the Güdel adjustment tool and a standard torque wrench. While maintaining the cartridge position, tighten the 4 retaining bolts to the standard specified torque. And you're done. Güdel's optional load-sharing DRBs, or dual roller blocks, can significantly increase the capacity of the Trackmotion module with minimal effect on the footprint.
For the highest standard in reliability, maintainability, and lowest total cost of ownership in linear axes for articulated robots, you can always count on Güdel Trackmotion modules as the smart solution.